Hi everyone, I am DrRajeevKumarP. In this video, I will be discussing a numerical problem related to basic soil properties. For more detailed discussion on soil formations and major soil deposits in India, the concept of three-phase diagram, basic soil properties and its fundamental relationships, you may watch the video link given here. Let us move to the numerical problem. A saturated soil sample of undisturbed clay has a volume of 19.2 cm³ and weighs 32.5 gram. After oven drying, weight reduces to 20.2 gram. Determine A. Water content, B. Specific gravity, C. Void ratio and D. Saturated unit weight. In the oven drying method of water content determination, a representative soil sample is kept in the oven for drying for 24 hours under standard temperature. The dried out soil sample is used for determination of water content. It is nothing but the weight of initial soil sample minus the weight of dried out sample divided by the weight of dried out sample will give you the water content. Now let us move to the solution of this numerical problem. Solution for this numerical is as follows. Given data is listed out. Degree of saturation is equal to 1. Total volume is 19.2 cm³. Total weight is 32.5 gram. Weight of soil solids given as 20.2 gram. So here we can draw the phase diagram. Let us see how it can be done. You know that three-phase diagram has air, water and soil solids component, but here the soil is given as 100% saturated, that is fully saturated. In a fully saturated soil sample, there are only two phases, that is water and soil solids. So as you know that we have one side of the three-phase diagram or phase diagram, we have weight, and another side we have volume. Okay, so weight of water already given in the question. Let us check whether it is given in the question. It is an unknown actually. Okay, but weight of soil solids given here. Weight of soil solids given here. So weight of soil solids given as 20.2 gram, and weight of water to be determined. Volume of water we can directly get, and volume of soil solids can be determined. Let us see how it can be solved. Here in this, we know that from the three-phase diagram, we can easily find out the weight of water because the total weight is given here, 32.5 gram. On the other hand, we have total volume, that is 19.2 centimeter cube. So weight of water WW is nothing but capital W minus WS from the three-phase diagram. So here you will get it as 12.3 gram. Okay, and this one can be taken as VW also, and this is the case. And moreover, you know that density of water is nothing but rho W is equal to weight of water divided by volume of water. Okay, so this is the case. Here you can easily find out that water content A can be easily find out by using the expression weight of water by weight of soil solids. Water content can be determined using the expression weight of water divided by weight of soil solids. So this is equal to 12.3 divided by 20.2. Okay, this is equal to 60.89%. Okay, now the second question was determination of specific gravity. Specific gravity is nothing but weight of soil solids divided by volume of soil solids into density of water is equal to 20.2 divided by volume of soil solids 6.9 into 1 gram per centimeter cube, the density of soil solids. This will give you 2.927 as specific gravity of soil solids. The third one was void ratio expressed as E is nothing but volume of voids divided by volume of soil solids is equal to 12.3 divided by 6.9. This is equal to 1.783. And the last question was saturated unit weight. Saturated unit weight. It is expressed as gamma saturated is equal to total weight divided by total volume. Since the soil is fully saturated, you can take total weight and total volume. So this will give you 32.5 divided by 19.2. As I mentioned in the previous numerical, that you have to multiply here with 9.81 because 1 kilogram is equal to 9.81 Newton. So here this will come out as 16.605 kilonewton per meter cube. Kilonewton per meter cube. This is the answer. And here you know this time, that is 9.81, is nothing but 1 kilogram is equal to 9.81 kilo 81 Newton. 9.81 Newton. 1 kilogram is equal to 9.81 Newton. So this one you can easily understand from the expressions given previously that this term is considered here for finding out the saturated unit weight. So this one is 16.05 kilonewton per meter cube. Thank you for listening to my lecture here. If you like this video, you may share it among your friends. This video will help you for university examinations, competitive examinations like GATE, public service examination, etc. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will get more videos and alert on more videos which will be aired very soon. Thank you very much.